Hey guys, this is a manual for your iPad, so exactly how to use it. This is an iPad Pro, this is the bigger one. However, if you guys have the smaller one, it's going to be the exact same instructions for both of them. And again, it doesn't matter what color you guys have, how many big gigs, it's going to be the exact same tutorial for all of you. It's going to be the same manual, how to use it. So let's just get started. We should take a look at your calendar. This is different than reminders. This is where you guys can go on and put in any major alarms that are going to repeat themselves throughout your calendar year, such as birthdays and all that stuff. To add anything like that, see this plus sign? That's where you're going to go. Type in birthday, for example. Then if it's a birthday or anything like that, you guys most likely will choose all day. And most likely you want an alert 1 day before. You can add a second alert 2 days before, 1 week before, or on the event, depends. Add it, and it's being added. So that's how you guys can add any events to your calendars. You guys can also take these away just by holding on to it, delete, and it's been deleted from your calendar. So that's how you guys can delete or add anything to your calendar. And last but not least, to search for any apps, besides going all the way here and just looking at them, you guys can tap here and search for a specific app, such as books. So there you go, there's books, gonna find that. So that's for specifically for apps. And if you guys want to add any widgets to your screen, you guys can always just hold on. You guys are gonna see the plus sign on the top left hand side and add any widget you like. I'm just gonna do batteries for now. And there's my widget for batteries. That's if you guys wanna bring back any widgets into your home screen. Or you guys can move this as well. So edit home, and then just move this to your secondary screen. Doesn't have to be in your home screen. It can be here. So there you go. That's the difference. So you guys can have your widgets there as well. Obviously, you guys can delete this on any point in time just by holding on, minus sign, remove, done, or just click away and you're done. But anyways, this was a quick manual for your iPad. Doesn't really matter which iPad you guys have. This will apply for all of them. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.